ladies and gentlemen. Our next session is pretty much interesting, but I'm going to take this wondrous opportunity of inviting Mr. Sanjeev Agarwal, the director of Dwara Smart Gold, and he shall talk about Smart Gold. Get a slice of the Millennium wallet. हम सब millennials की बात करते हैं, जब उनकी बात आती है तो यही सोचते हैं that they are the ones who have the power because they are more on the digital media throughout the day, active on the digital world, and what is it that they could also do so that we have a great space in this digital world. We've all gone global, and time for all of us to know how to go ahead and know the way to shop smart with our millennials. May we please put our hands together as we invite our speaker, Mr. Sanjeev Agarwal ji, the director of Swara Smart Gold. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please take this wondrous opportunity of putting our hands together for Mr. Sanjeev Agarwal ji, the director of Dwara Smart Gold, and he shall speak about Smart Gold. Get a slice of millennial wallet.
I think Soma and Samit, it's 15 years, 16 years? Or longer? 17 years. 17 years of hard work that both Soma and Samit put into this event to make it relevant for all of us. It's amazing. But what I've noticed is, in the past, topics were very different. Topics was on branding, advertising, direct marketing, finance, and I was always called for that finance role. Today, when I look at the list of speakers and the topic, everything is talking about the future, millennium, digital. So the world has changed, and we need to change with it, or we will not survive. Why millennials? If you look at it, 47% of the wage earners in India going forward will be contribution by the millennials. Typically, if you look at people coming into your stores, if the parents were coming to the stores, if they were government servants, on an average when they retired, they would be making a salary income of monthly income of maybe 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, and that's it. And they've retired at that level. You see them coming with their daughters leading the parents, the father and the mother, and her starting salary is 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakhs. So that's the change in dynamics in terms of the money available with the millennials, and that's the important change that we have to go after. I don't know if it was Prabhat or Anand who mentioned, actually it was Anand who mentioned that we have to look at the future customers, not ourselves. And that's the most important aspect of it. Millennials choose everything digitally. Everything is, you want food, Zomato, you want clothes, Myntra, you want fashion, Nykaa, banking, you're banking by SBI. So that's the change that is happening. This is a very interesting research done by Deloitte as well as Dr. Dharmal Patel. Millennials prefer more frequent everyday wear as compared to wearing and buying more expensive clothes. So there's a change in opportunity where they want to buy more frequently, smaller value items, but regularly. The millennials want to reflect their personal identity. Huge change in the mindset from earlier, where the idea was to show off, to impress, to make a social statement. That has changed. That has changed significantly. And what is surprising when I saw this research is that they prefer going back to the same brand. We thought that only the new age digital brands will survive, will grow, but surprisingly, they want to go back to the same brand, provided the environment created is in line with what their thinking is. It's in line with Zomato, it is in line with Uber, it's in line with YONO. And obviously, the millennium will be the largest consumers, and they'll be going to dominate the market in this digital era going forward. So these are the very important elements, and therefore, digital gold is the next big thing that every one of you need to look at. So what we at Dwara Smart Gold offer you, a way of moving through to a phygital model where it is your app, your branding, only powered by Dwara and supported by all the infrastructure set up by Brinks, set up by Axis Bank, set up by Oriental Insurance, etc. So the entire infrastructure, the backend, is put together by us, and you do the branding at zero cost and take it forward to your customers. So, for example, if you want to start next month, you can actually do so. That's the journey that is possible. What is this digital gold all about, and how does it work? It's your store, you have your customers, you tell them about, you send them the messages about downloading the app through which they can save digitally. They can save daily, weekly, monthly, through UPI, through net banking, etc. So what are you doing actually? You're making sure that you're reaching out to that customer's house on a daily, weekly engagement with the customer. There was challenges around COVID about coming to your store. That is eliminated with this process. He is aware of your brand on a more regular basis. At the back end, what we do is for every rupee that the customer has saved on our joint platform, we buy physical gold, 995 quality bars that are LBMA approved bars or the the BIS approved bars. And these standard bars which are traded interbank is what we buy physically. It is stored in Brinks. Brinks is the largest vaulting company in the world for gold, fully insured. And on top of that, we put a layer to protect your customers. We have a bank, Axis Trustee, which verifies on a daily basis the gold held and lying in the vault on behalf of the customers. Having saved, they have to convert that gold balance at your store. So what you're doing is driving digital savings and getting these millennium customers to come to your store and convert that into jewelry. Convert that into frequent purchases that I mentioned is the behavior going forward. How does it benefit you? High visibility. I mentioned about the fact that here you are in his palm every day, whenever she wants. That's the difference you're creating vis-a-vis a physical store. You can even get new customers through this platform, because what you can do is run promotions whereby, for example, Biju mentioned in the morning that typically retail jewelry means 60% of the customers have walked in, may come back or may not come back. 40% or 35% are the ones who actually buy. So the people who walked in, how do you continue the relationship with them? How do you get them to start saving on your platform at least? This is what you can offer them right away. Saving process could start as little as 500. Today, if a customer wants to indulge in jewelry at your store, the minimum will be about 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 rupees billing amount. You will not be interested in less than that. Typically, if I look at people here, some of them will not even be interested in 5 lakhs business. Pre-COVID, I'm saying. Yeah? But this allows you an engagement with your customer even for as small as 500 bucks. Our entire process is very transparent, very open, where for every transaction, we issue a GST paid receipt, which is available with the customer. So there's a complete audit trail of what they purchase the way they want to. They have full visibility on that. Like I mentioned about captive redemption, what more, when you do this process with us, every time a customer buys digital gold on our joint platform, you will earn a commission. Sone mein suhaga. So this was a rough figure that I was working out yesterday. Even if 20 customers are on this platform, they save only 2,000 per month. You're talking about additional savings of about 42 crores in digital platform. And more importantly, 70 to 80 crores of additional sales of jewelry, which may have gone into something else, because instead of buying something on Zomato or Myntra, because you're available on the same mobile app of platform of hers, she would have put the 500 or 1,000 rupees for gold. So let me skip this because I've covered this and Samita said wind up quickly. But the most important part is apart from savings, apart from the ability to convert that into jewelry at your outlet, what's more, you can also, through our platform, the customer can also take a gold loan. They can actually take a gold loan, a jewelry loan, against the balances that are held with us. And that's the additional value that you can offer your customers. That anytime on the savings that they've done, press a button, take a loan. And you would have seen the news over the last 3-4 days. There's a lot of buzz going on. I haven't created that buzz really, but I've been part of the buzz. The top few jewelers, they are already doing this or in the process of doing it. Please don't miss out. What is Dwara Smart Gold? Dwara Smart Gold, I'll just give you a background of the company. We promote micro savings through gold, and we are present through our partners, already present in less than 2 years in 4,000 towns and villages. We have tied up with microfinance companies, NBFCs, business correspondents who transfer money from one location to the other, fintech companies, fintech lending money companies. We're in the process of tying up with some banks as well to offer this product. So there's a whole set of financial-led institutions who are already offering this product to our customers. What will happen going forward if we have partnered with you? These customers, when they want to convert to jewelry, you will be one of the point of stores where they can walk in and convert their gold balances into jewelry. Very interesting phenomena. We heard about, and we've all experienced, COVID period, sales were down. It picked up in August, September, October, till February, March. March, it went down drastically. And now many of you all are saying we're growing by 200% this month and last month. But on the savings plan, because it was digital, because it was available at that point, in spite of 2 rounds of COVID and lockdown, our platform, the same customers have been saving month on month. We've seen more than 80% stickiness of saving regularly. So that's the value that you bring for your customers. The group as such, the group major investor in this project is Dwara Trust. Dwara Trust was called IFMR Trust. It was set up with the support of ICICI Bank 15 years back. So it has a very strong pedigree and presence for over 15 years in India. Their primary mission of Dwara Trust has been to make available banking and financial services to every household in India. Under the Dwara Trust, there are multiple companies already in existence between 5 years to 15 years. They have a microfinance company giving loans, and they have over 10 lakh customers where they give loans every month. They have a software company which does software for over 25 finance companies. And there are few other new businesses that were set up in the agri sector, in the farm sector, and also Dwara Smart Gold. For some of you, let me not tom-tom too much about myself, but my career started selling tea and coffee for Levers, Brook Bonds. From there, I moved to Cadbury's, branding, marketing, advertising. From there, I joined Deutsche Bank, a long career in banking, where I set up the retail banking business and private banking business. After that, in 2004, I moved to head the World Gold Council. And some of you all would have experienced the huge upsurge in Akshaya Tritiya sales in North India from zero. That was my team then in World Gold Council who conceptualized and initiated that entire concept of a gold buying day, all India and even in Southeast Asia. On the advisory board panel, we also have a former ED of RBI. So we have a very senior person who is supposed to look at our systems, our processes, and all this has been done to protect the interest of the customer and our partners. We also have Anisha Motwani, who has about 30 plus years experience in advertising, insurance, and financial services as part of the partnerships. We even have within us, we've been present for about little over 2 years, less than 2 years. And we have got global recognition by Inclusion FinTech Company as the leading company in this sector across the globe. Something interesting. Volume, please.
लोग सदियों से सोने में निवेश करते आ रहे हैं क्योंकि पीली धातु को डेट और इक्विटी की तुलना में अधिक सुरक्षित निवेश विकल्प माना जाता है। अधिकतर निवेशकों के पोर्टफोलियो में सोना जरूर होता है क्योंकि इसने लगातार बेहतर रिटर्न्स आपको दिए हैं। पहले फिजिकल गोल्ड में निवेश किया जाता था, लेकिन आजकल युवाओं में डिजिटल गोल्ड तेजी से पॉपुलर हुआ है। क्या है डिजिटल गोल्ड में निवेश का तरीका और कहां निवेश रहेगा सुरक्षित? गणपति पर हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं खास शो डिजिटल गोल्ड बरसेगा धन। अगमन गोल्ड के दिनेशा चन्नानी, सेंकम गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स के शुभंकर सेन और द्वारा स्मार्ट गोल्ड के संजीव अग्रवाल, आप सभी का कार्यक्रम में यहाँ पर स्वागत है। डिजिटल गोल्ड में क्लियरली हमने अच्छा खासी बढ़त यहाँ पर आते हुए देखी है, चाहे पार्टिसिपेशन की बात की जाए या यहाँ पर टिकट साइज की। ऐसा माना जाता है कि अगर आप पिछले साल से कंपेयर करें तो क्लियरली 70% की ग्रोथ हमने यहाँ पर आते हुए देखी है। इन्वेस्टमेंट के तौर पर क्लियरली बेस यहाँ पर काफी लो है, लेकिन जिस तरह से इसकी पॉपुलैरिटी बढ़ी है, क्योंकि आप बहुत छोटे अमाउंट से यहाँ पर शुरुआत कर सकते हैं, ये एक यहाँ पर लोगों को इसका एक फैक्टर यहाँ पर पसंद आया है। तो वही पूरा प्रोसेस है कि अगर आपने सोना ऑनलाइन डिजिटल गोल्ड के थ्रू खरीदा है और आप उसको रिडीम करना चाहते हैं ज्वेलरी में, तो उसका वहां पर क्या प्रोसेस है। क्लियरली 24 कैरेट का ये सोना है। बर्डन का स्टोरेज बर्डन आपके ऊपर यहाँ पर इसके लिए नहीं है। लिक्विडिटी है, कभी भी किसी भी समय आप खरीद सकते हैं और कभी भी किसी भी समय आप इसे बेच भी सकते हैं। तो क्लियरली काफी सारे पॉजिटिव्स यहाँ पर हैं। संजीव जी, आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे कि जब हम ये सोना खरीदते हैं, क्लियरली हम ये जैसे बात करते रह रहे हैं कि ये बहुत सिंपल है, ऐप डाउनलोड करना है और सिंपल केवाईसी है। काफी सारा हमने पॉजिटिव नंबर्स यहाँ पर आते हुए देखे हैं और जैसे हमारे सभी पैनलिस्ट ने आज हमें बताया है कि बेहतरीन प्रोडक्ट है, अच्छी खासी पार्टिसिपेशन यहाँ पर हमने आते हुए देखी है। केवाईसीज हैं, जो भी आप डिजिटल गोल्ड लेते हैं उसको बैक किया जाता है। सभी कंपनीज पीछे उसके लिए सोना खरीदती हैं। थर्ड पार्टी ऑडिशन है, बैंक्स के साथ यहाँ पर टाई अप्स हैं। तो क्लियरली काफी सेफ गोल्ड है और सरकार काफी हद तक जिस तरह से फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन या सोने को गोल्ड एसेट के तरीके से देखना चाहती है, ये एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्रोडक्ट उस लिहाज से और काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग नंबर्स भी हमने बनते हुए देखे हैं। बहुत शुक्रिया रनिशा, शुभंकर और संजीव जी साथ जुड़ने के लिए और डिजिटल गोल्ड को इतने बेहतरीन तरीके से हमारे दर्शकों को समझाने के लिए। तो क्लियरली इस गणपति चतुर्थी के समय एक और तरीका है आपके लिए सोना खरीदने का, जो कि डिजिटल गोल्ड के इतिहास से लिया जा सकता है। इसी के साथ हमें दीजिए इजाजत, आप देखते रहिए CNBC आवाज।
So that was free endorsement of something that I presented today, and looking forward to connecting with you all during the course of today and tomorrow. Thank you.